Hello everyone, let's make a very simple and nice model of seesaw, a working model. Okay, so you can see how nicely it's working. So let's get started. The materials you need is one rectangular cardboard piece, cover it with a colored sheet or you can paint. Next you need is a thinner piece of cardboard. Again you paint it or stick the sheet. You also need 4 square pieces. And one bigger piece, this will be a rectangular bigger than the square. And 2 square pieces, out of which we are going to actually make feet. These should be slit in the middle. 2 pieces like this for making the handles. 2 triangles, each should have a hole through which the riffle should pass. A piece of straw. This piece of straw should be equal to the width of the thinner sheet which you took, and a piece of riffle which should be longer than the straw and it should move freely in the straw. And 2 small pieces of eraser and 1 cutter. So let's make it now. First of all, you need to make the box out of the 4 squares. So see how you're going to stick it. Likewise, you stick the other 2 pieces also. Now stick the rectangular piece on this prepared box. Leave it aside for drying up. Meanwhile, we stick the straw on this piece which will actually make the seesaw. Let's fix the seat. Apply the glue on one side and stick it neatly on one end of the strip. Likewise, you stick on the other side also and fix the handles. Let's come back to the stand. We are going to complete this. Now stick this triangular piece on one side as I am showing you here. You have to make sure the level is same. Another triangular piece should come on the opposite side and make sure the riffle passes through it easily. Now fix this stand prepared on the base, the big rectangular piece which we took in the beginning. We are almost through with it. Now these two eraser pieces I've already made holes. You can use a scissor or a compass or a knife to make the hole. Fix the riffle to one of the piece of erasers. Pass it through the hole in the triangle. Now here you have to be careful, and I'm showing you in close-up how you have to pass this riffle through the straw, which has been fixed on the lower side of the seesaw, and pass it through the other hole of the other triangle. Seal it with the other eraser piece. And here we go, our seesaw is ready. So I'll show you the working now. You can see it, how freely it is moving. No motor required, nothing as such, but it works. Make one for your science project and enjoy.